Hey everyone, welcome back to Verified Gains. Happy Saturday. Hopefully everybody's having a good weekend so far. Today, I just want to briefly review the price charts, and I'm going to make it hopefully a 5-minute video at most. Um, so, in the on the previous video, I was sort of wondering why we were chopping sideways around this $96,500 mark, because that is not, where I would normally draw my horizontal support or resistance line. As you can see, my lines are $92,500 mark for the support and around 98, 99,000 for the resistance line. And then I took a look at the pi cycle top indicator, and it looks like we're simply retesting the 111-day moving average depicted by this red curve over here. So where do we head from here? Well, I was giving this a lot of thought, and anytime there's a sideways, movement, it usually reflects, especially if there's, little volatility, it usually reflects people taking a more cautious stance. And I think what people are waiting for is the FOMC minutes that is happening next Wednesday. So, whether it's traditional equities or cryptocurrency, in my experience, I've always noticed that people just sort of wait on the sidelines until the day before or the day of, anytime there's an FOMC meeting. And, hopefully during that meeting, we'll hear some updates on the monetary policies for the US government. Okay, so, or, governmental bodies, governing bodies, if you will. So I don't really expect any, significant price movements until maybe Tuesday. And so next week will hopefully be a little bit more exciting, but right now, nothing going on too much. And like I said before, if I had to guess, it's because of the FOMC minute that is coming up next Wednesday. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. So, for the first time in a few, several days now, we've formed this green candlestick over here. I don't actually really expect this dominance to go back up. My prediction is that hopefully after the FOMC minute, then we actually do trigger an altcoin season. And so simply this is just plateauing, but after next Wednesday, hopefully we see further drop in the Bitcoin dominance. And then last but not least, same thing with Solana. I think it's just going to hover around this $187 mark. This coming Friday, I'm going to dollar cost average more into Solana, and I'm really hoping that it stays around 187 because that would be my favorite price to buy more Solana and further accumulate. And I think that's what's going to happen. The FOMC minutes have to happen. Usually, I predict, on Thursday, maybe people will sell the news and we form a red candle. The most ideal situation would be another red candle on the following Friday, so the day after. And which will mean a lot of people will then accumulate over the weekend. So if I dollar cost average on a Friday, then I will see some quick profit over the weekend. Although, I'm not trading, I'm not doing any, medium term swing trading. Right now, I'm just accumulating. And once we're, around September, October, I'm going to dollar cost average out. So so you dollar cost average when you buy in, but also when you're selling. Okay, so that's a good strategy to keep in mind. It doesn't have to be, sell all at once. Okay, it's already over 5 minutes, so let's stop there for today. And I don't think there will be any new videos until Wednesday because I don't truly expect anything. But if there is a significant event or significant price action, then I'll make another video. Thanks for listening and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye bye.